Annex Regulation 31, System for Regulating and Keeping Track of Oil Discharge. A natural tool used to monitor and regulate oil discharge is the Oil Discharge Monitoring and Control System. Regulation 32, a water oil interface detector, an electrical device known as an interface detector, is used to locate the boundary between water and oil in storage tanks. Regulation 33, cleaning standards for crude oil. The 1978 protocol to the MARPOL Convention required new tankers to first cleanse their crude oil before launching. Regulation 35, activities for cleaning crude oil at tankers. Oil tanks are cleaned out between journeys using the crude oil being transported rather than water. Regulation 36, oil record book part, cargo and ballast operation. The oil record book part 2 must be completed tank by tank necessary whenever one of the aforementioned cargo ballast event takes place on the ship. Regulation 37, a ship emergency plan for oil pollution on board tanker above 150 GT and other ships over 400 GT. The shipboard oil pollution emergency strategy, or SOPEP, is a preventative measure. Regulation 38, reception facilities definition, any fixed, mobile, or floating structure that is suitable for collecting MARPOL. Regulation 39, particular requirements for platforms that are either stationary or floating for the segregated ballast tanks. A separate ballast pumping and piping system should be provided for the intake and output of ballast water from and to the sea.